you? I hope you're fine. So I've brought to you new this today. This is Getzebra installer, and this is also an alternative to Cydia. Like it's saying, you're welcome to Getzebra. And the sources, you can add sources, custom sources. This is an alternative to Cydia, and that's really cool. I love that it's theme and it's brand new theme. Uh, just that customizations and all these type of things. Like once you're searching in this function, the top featured things are visible on the top, and these cards and different themes are available over here. And to add Zebra, there is a simple process. You have to open Cydia, and after that what you have to do, wait for it to open. Okay, so cancel it. Okay, so you have to add the source, getzebra.com/repo. Okay, so you have to add the source, and once you're gonna add the source, this source is going to be added. Be mindful that you have installed the certificate. You must install this certificate before adding this repo. This certificate, ISRG root x1. So how can you download it? Just go to Safari, and over there you have to write cydia.invoxyplaygames.com. No, it's not .com, it's .uk/certificates. Wait, cydia.invoxyplaygames.com/certificates. So I will tell you which certificate to add. This one. Open the site and then press this one. This is the certificate. Press this button, ISRG root x1 CA. So once you're gonna add the certificate, then you are going to open Cydia and add the Zebra repo. After adding Zebra repo, Zebra will appear. Be mindful it is only compatible with iOS 9.0 or higher iOS, and then after that you are gonna enjoy Zebra. And noted that's really cool. There's dark mode and light mode as well. You can change different modes and the sources, changes, packages. It's almost similar to Cydia. Okay, so guys, Zebra is here. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.